Hello guys, welcome to my channel Easy DIY Electronics. Today I am going to show you how to make LED fading circuit with 555 timer IC. Components required in this project are breadboard, 555 timer IC, 9-volt battery, one 1K and one 220 ohms resistor, one 2 and 22 transistor, 1000 UF capacitor, one LED, and some connecting wires. Let's get started. First, place the IC in the middle of the breadboard. Connect pin 1 to the negative side and pin 8 to the positive side of the breadboard. Now connect pin 2 to pin 6 and pin 4 to pin 8. Connect transistor on breadboard and connect pin 6 to the base of transistor. Connect collector of transistor to positive side of breadboard. Now connect pin 3 to the base of transistor with 1K ohms resistor. Connect capacitor positive lead to the base of transistor and negative lead to the negative side of breadboard. Then connect 220 ohms resistor to the collector of transistor. Now connect the positive lead of LED with 220 ohms resistor and negative lead to ground. Finally, connect the positive terminal of battery to the positive side and negative terminal to the negative side of the breadboard. This is the final look of fading LED circuit. Schematic is in the description.